Well, hello, beautiful people. How are you today? Steph here. And today I'm going to do an unboxing of a supplement that I think is pretty interesting. It is Primal Queen. You don't know what that is. It is a beef organ superfood. Cool box, right? Cool package. Pretty cool. Okay, so here's the other side. Hmm? Primal Queen. So I'm gonna do my unboxing and talk about this a little bit for you, with you. I wanted to give this a try. They reached out to me and asked, "Hey, would you like to try our product?" And I was a little hesitant at first because it is beef organ. And if you know me, I haven't had any beef product in 12 years. However, I decided I wanted to give this a try for several reasons. It gives you like a little things you can expect. So, like week one, lift energy, mood, and condition from consistent B12, zinc, and copper. Month one, you can expect a reduction in iron deficiency, leading to increased vitality, sex drive, and overall well-being. I mean, who doesn't want that? And month two, abundance of B vitamins from beef organs lead to better mood, higher energy, healthier immune system, decreased stress, and aids in blood cell production. And then month three of consistently using it, it's a consistent natural vitamin A from beef organs can lead to better skin health, delayed signs of aging, and reduced acne and better vision. Month six, blend of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids found in beef organs peak for enhanced mental clarity, better muscle function, and improved recovery after physical activities. And then month 12, proteins that impact women's health have reached optimal levels, which can result in optimal menstruation and menstrual flow, properly balanced hormones, and less menstrual cramps and hot flashes. So, a lot of these, and since it is clinically studied, I wanted to give it a try because this last year, I may or may not be having like issues with my hormones because I was having like lumps in my breasts and then I had like this weird pain, which the pain could be from hormonal. And I was like, oh, maybe this would help. And then, I've experienced that dermatitis around here and here. And so I was like, you know what? I really need to heal that. And just having more energy, less brain fog, all that kind of stuff. I'm turning 44 next month, so I want to make sure that I'm staying on top of my game. Okay, so here we got this. So this is the little package it comes in. Hmm, very cool. And yeah, it says more energy, better hormones, gluten-free, 100% grass-fed, beef organ superfood, non-GMO. So that makes me happy. And you take two daily, ideally one with each meal. So I did try taking two daily the first 2 days, and I think because I hadn't consumed beef for 12 years, it kind of upset my stomach. So I just decided for the last 2 weeks that I would just take one a day with my dinner, and that made a big difference. That helped my stomach feel more settled, helped it be able to accept it more. So now that I've been taking it for 2 weeks, I think I will now increase every other day, like 1, 2, 1, 2 for the next 2 weeks, and then I'll move to two a day. Okay, so it comes in this pretty little package here, the little card that comes in here, which is what I was just reading off for you. And this you've got like a cute pink foam. So I love it. I love how like girly and feminine it is. It's very intentional. And then it comes, you get this little cute little capsule holder, right? Like check that out. That is so cute. It says Primal Queen and it has like the little logo all the way around on top. It's a glass jar too, which I think is really awesome. Easy to open. And then inside you get, well, look how cute that is, right? And then you get a little bracelet to come with it that says, I am a Primal Queen. So it has that. And then a little pill capsule, which I thought this is what a cool idea. So if you're going out to lunch with a friend, with the girls, or with dinner, and you don't have it with you, you have the little capsule that you can then take, like, check that out. And you can just pop it in there. And then you get to bring it with you so you don't miss your dose. How cool is that? I think that is so cute. I love it. And then it's like a little keychain. So you just attach it to your keys and then it comes with you. How awesome. I love that. So, and then you just open it up, pour it in here, and let me go clean it out really quick. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're going to take our little package, open it up, and just pour it in. There we have it. They're all in there. And how cute is this? It comes with this like little cute little heart. Let's see. There you go. It comes with this cute little heart that smells kind of minty, like peppermint, that you put in here just to keep it like, I guess, smelling pepperminty fresh versus like beef organs. And then you just seal it up. And then I've been putting it on my table. There we go. See? Ta-da! And then we just have it, I just set it on my spot on the table so I know to take it whenever I sit down to eat. And yeah, there we go. So, what have I noticed in the past 2 weeks since taking it? So, over the past 2 weeks of taking it, I've noticed myself that I do feel like I have more energy. I do feel like I'm able to focus a little bit more at work when I'm making content or making recordings for the YouTube channel or for a client or someone who ordered one. I definitely know that I bruise really easily, and so I'm really interested to see if I stop bruising as easily. And it also, this is interesting, right? Because it says in month one that you might experience an increased vitality, sex drive, and overall well-being. And I've noticed this last week, there's like a few times where I was like, I'm feeling a little feisty right now, which was at a different time, like in the afternoon, early afternoon when I normally wouldn't. That might be TMI. But I'm just being honest, I did notice that this last week and I was like, hmm. So I don't know. I don't know. Just saying, that's my experience. And I've been taking this for 2 weeks. So if your cute little self wants to give this supplement a try, Primal Queen, and give this clinically studied beef organs a try in your own life, I will go ahead and put my affiliate link in the description for you to give it a whirl and see what you think and see if it's helpful for you. And I'm really excited to see as I continue to take it. Oh, I did also notice like my skin is looking clearer already. Like, I don't know if it's this. I've also been making really sure to cut out gluten, but I did eat some tofu, and normally I would have a breakout after eating the tofu, and I haven't had like a breakout from eating that. So I don't know. I don't know. Just saying, these are the things I've noticed because my skin is clearing up, and that's pretty awesome. And let me know if you try it. And if you are trying it, let's hold each other accountable and be consistent on it. Like, I want to try taking this for a year. Like it says, 12 months, you get all these really, really great benefits. So, what if we're like accountability buddies with this? So, anyway, there was a lot of reasons why I decided to try this Primal Queen. And I'm really excited to see the results. I feel like in 2 weeks, I'm already seeing some good stuff happening and what's going to happen a year from now. So if you want to join me on this journey, the link will be in the description and let's see how we improve our health. And maybe we're going to do it together and we can update each other and keep just seeing how we're doing. I think that sounds really cool to update, maybe updating along this program in a month, in 2 months, in 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Give little updates and see how we're feeling. So I love that idea. Anyway, you have the best rest of your day. Thanks for stopping in to say hi and spend a few minutes with me. I think you are absolutely wonderful, and I hope you do something sweet and kind for yourself today. And I will see you next time. Bye.